Hello and thank you for joining us. In this presentation, it's all about accessing files stored in Box from iManage. Now you're probably wondering if you should be watching this video. Well, here's a couple of questions to help you get to that answer. Do you share large files with your clients? Do you need to access those files from iManage? Do you take advantage of unlimited storage in Box? In other words, the no cost for storage in Box. If you answered yes to these questions, it probably makes sense to watch this video. So let's get started. Here we are in iManage Work, and of course our objective is to create a link to a document inside of Box. So I've got my folder right here, Working Documents. That's where I want to put this link. I'll click my menu. I'll go down to my Add Box Link. Click on that. Up pops this screen. It'll tell you where it's going to put the link at the top, selected folder path. You see that there with the workspace and the folder path. Now I select the file from Box. And I'll do a quick search. And here's Solution Videos in Box. I'm going to grab the iManage Box integration. So I'll just select that file and I'll say check. And then from here, I just hit Create Link. The link has been created and stored in Working Documents. I can take a peek at the link right from here. Let's do that now. Document copied. So here is the link right there. I click on that, and there is the file. You'll notice it comes across as a doc file. Let me show you why. When you click on the file, it basically will advise the user, hey, the file you're looking for is sitting inside of Box. If you click on the link below, you will get to that file, which we'll do in a moment. If you do not have access to it, you can reach this email. And of course, the appropriate email would be put inside this automatically built file. So all I do here is I can click on this, and then I click on the link. And it takes me straight to the file. In this case, it's a video on the deal room management solution. Let me go back to iManage to show you this real quick. I'm going to close this screen. As I said, you go to Working Documents, and here again is that link. And again, it's a typical file inside of iManage. A little easier reading right now. And of course, the metadata down the side you can add or may inherit based on your iManage configuration. Here's our link. And again, same premise. I can click the link and go to the file. So what did you learn? Well, you learned you can easily access your very large files in Box from iManage. The link can be created by a user. The link can be set up as part of your cloud migration. So what are your next steps? Well, it's time to reach out to MicroStrategies so we can help you like we help our other clients.